Hold and press the ground button for 3 seconds. The time shown in the display flashes. 1S can be increased after every press of the single cup button. 1S can be decreased after every press of the double cup button. Default grinding times: 12 seconds for double shots and 9 seconds for single shots. Finally, press the M key to confirm and complete. Under the standby mode, hold and press the ground button, single cup button, and the manual button at the same time. The button light will go out, and the other button's light will flash 3 times. The settings will be recovered to the factory settings.